Let me ask you something honestly before we even talk about XsoraAI. How many AI tools have you seen in the last few months that promised to change everything? But when you actually tried them, they either felt too complicated, too limited, or just not worth the effort. If you searched for XsoraAI review, XsoraAI honest review, or is XsoraAI worth it, that tells me something important. You're not here for hype. You're here because you want clarity before spending your money. And that's exactly what this video is for. In this review, I'm going to walk you through XsoraAI slowly, honestly, and practically. Not like a sales page, not like a fake demo, but like someone explaining it to a friend who's about to make a buying decision. By the end of this video, you'll know who it's perfect for, who should not buy it, what results look like in real life, not screenshots, and whether it's worth your time and money right now. No hype, no fake urgency, just reality. XsoraAI is an AI-powered creative platform designed to help you generate visuals, creative assets, and AI-based content without needing design skills, technical knowledge, or multiple tools. And that last part is important. Most people don't fail with AI because AI is bad. They fail because too many tools, too many dashboards, too much learning, too much confusion. XsoraAI tries to solve that by bringing creation into one place. Instead of one tool for visuals, one tool for content ideas, one tool for creative inspiration, one tool for assets, you get a single ecosystem designed for speed and simplicity. This isn't meant to replace human creativity. It's meant to remove friction. Let's talk about the real pain point, not the marketing version. Most beginners and even professionals struggle with staring at a blank screen, spending hours designing something good enough, paying freelancers repeatedly for basic creative work, switching between tools and subscriptions, feeling overwhelmed by AI complexity. XsoraAI focuses on one thing: reduce decision fatigue and execution time. When execution becomes easier, consistency improves. When consistency improves, results follow. That's the real value here. XsoraAI is ideal if you fall into any of these categories. Beginners. If AI tools confuse you or intimidate you, XsoraAI is designed to be approachable. You don't need to understand prompts deeply on day one. You learn by using. Marketers. If you need creatives fast, for ads, social posts, campaigns, XsoraAI helps you produce without bottlenecks. Business owners. If you don't want to hire a designer for every small task, this tool can save real money long-term. Students and freelancers. If you want professional-looking assets without professional-level skills, this gives you leverage. Anyone tired of monthly subscriptions? XsoraAI is attractive for people who want ownership over renting tools forever. This part matters, because buying the wrong tool creates frustration. XsoraAI is not for people expecting instant income, people who refuse to learn even basic workflows, hardcore designers who want pixel-perfect manual control, people who think AI should do everything without input. If you want results without responsibility, this is not for you. But if you want leverage, it might be. Let's slow this down and talk practically. XsoraAI doesn't win because of one flashy feature. It wins because of how everything works together. Feature. Centralized creation. Instead of juggling platforms, you stay inside one system. Benefit. Less mental load. Faster output. Real use. You sit down with an idea and leave with an asset, not confusion. Feature: AI-assisted generation. The AI helps guide the creation process instead of overwhelming you. Benefit: you don't need expert-level prompts. Real use: you improve results simply by refining ideas, not learning jargon. Feature: beginner-friendly interface. Clean layout, clear options, logical flow. Benefit: lower learning curve. Real use: you actually use the tool instead of abandoning it. Let's address the elephant in the room. XsoraAI is not magic. It will not replace skills overnight. It will not guarantee success. But it does work as described. The output quality depends on how clearly you describe what you want, how consistently you use the platform, whether you treat it as a tool, not a shortcut. That's true for every AI system worth using. First 7 days. Learning the interface. Testing basic features. Creating simple assets. Understanding strengths and limits. First 30 days. Faster execution. Reduced dependency on other tools. More consistent creation. Better confidence with AI. First 90 days. Workflow automation. Creative efficiency. Scalable output. Real-time and cost savings. Notice I didn't say overnight success. That's intentional. Let's be fair. There are tools that do one thing better. Offer advanced customization. Provide niche-specific power. But most of them cost monthly. Require learning. Don't talk to each other. XsoraAI's advantage is consolidation and ease, not extreme specialization. For 80% of users, that's the smarter choice. Ease of use. Time savings. Cost efficiency. Beginner-friendly. Scales with skill. Not meant for extreme manual design. Results depend on input quality. Still requires creativity and thinking. No tool is perfect, and that's okay. XsoraAI is not hype. It's not revolutionary. It's useful. If your goal is to simplify creation, save time, reduce tool overload, work smarter with AI, then it's worth serious consideration. If you want to see the current pricing, bonuses, or availability, I've placed my affiliate link in the description. That link takes you to the official XsoraAI page, and sometimes includes limited bonuses you won't see elsewhere. Take your time. Check it out. Decide what's best for you.